Okay, let's keep moving. This is Jocko Willink. He's a Navy SEAL. What kind of nonverbal communication advice or message can you get from Willink's TED Talk?
War is a nightmare. War is awful. It is indifferent and devastating and evil. War is hell. But war is also an incredible teacher, a brutal teacher. And it teaches you lessons that you will not forget.
Ooh, that is a scary man. I would love to be on his good side. So, check out number 4. What body language, gesture, or movement advice can you get from seeing Jocko Willink's TED Talk?